Hello everyone, welcome back to into sorry, light is blinking. As you know, guys, this is my new video and this is a new adventure story. As you know, so just imagine this, enjoy this, learn from this, okay, together. As you know, guys, this is my 8th video, third last video of today on 5 December 2024. Let's start without wasting your time. Welcome back everyone. Today we are diving into the funniest water park fails from MrBeast's most hilarious episode. Trust me, you do not want to miss this, okay? Just imagine this. Imagine this, picture this, a massive water slide, a group of friends, and a whole lot of enthusiasm. But what happens next? Total chaos, from epic belly flops to unexpected wipeouts. MrBeast captures every moment with his signature humor. You cannot help but laugh as people slide down only to land in the pool with a splash that sends water everywhere, and I mean everywhere. But beyond the laws, there is a lesson here. Life is like a water park. It's unpredictable. Sometimes you will wipe out, and sometimes you will make a splash. The key is to embrace those moments. Each fail is just a funny story waiting to be bold. And let's not forget about the word meanings behind these hilarious fails. They remind us that everyone has their awkward moments, even the most confident among us. It's a shared experience that brings us closer together. So next time you find yourself sleeping up, just remember laughter is the best comedy. Okay, Mr. B shows us that it's okay to be silly and take risks. Whether you are soaring down a slide or trying something new in life, don't be afraid to fail, because those failures often lead to the best memories. So if you are looking for a good love and some inspiration, check out this episode. Let's celebrate the joy of falling flat on our faces, literally, and turning those moments into something unforgettable. Remember, life is too short not to laugh at yourself. Okay, catch you next time for more epic adventures and lessons learned. Okay, bye for now. Subscribe for more.